Hello gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO for day. Today I want to show you how to import themes and all lessons in eFootball PES 2021. On the description you can download the field that you need to do this. When it's done, you need to extract this field right now. Okay, this field is here. Extract here. Okay, wait for the extraction quickly. Wonderful. Now it's done. It's here. Open another folder. Go on documents, and on document you have Konami. Konami is here. Open Konami, and eFootball season update is here also. What you need to do, this is simple. You need just to take this, okay, and put this directly here. Okay, wait a minute. Wonderful. Close all of this. Now open eFootball PES 2021. Okay. Get ready. Don't forget to click on share this video. Okay, great. What you need to do, this is simple. Now you need to import this field directly. Okay, nice. Okay, go on settings. Okay, on settings, click on edit. Okay, load data not found, image list. Okay, what you need to do now is simple. You need to click on import export. Okay, do something like that. Okay, you have import theme. Okay, what you need to do is to click here on import theme, and if this field appear on PES save folder WebPES, it is working. Wonderful. Times will reviews importing to perform when import data features. Okay, as you can see, normally you will see all of it fit here, but it's not appear yet. I don't know why. Okay, okay, click on this. Okay, let's do something. Nice, all of these teams. Okay, go back. Okay, this is like that. You can import field. Normally you need to find a field here. Okay, import teams. Wonderful. Now is localize all of your fields. All of fields appear here now. Okay, and you are ready to import all of it. Okay, Y deselect, X select all. Click on X from your beautiful Xbox controller. X, all of these are selected. When all of these are selected like that, what can you do? You need to click on A, okay, on A. Oh, please. When all of us are selected like that, you have to do this. Okay, do something like that to import all of your fields. Don't forget to like and share. And remember, on the description, these fields are here. You can download and do what I'm doing. Okay. God bless you. Here you need to wait just a minute for finishing of this exportation. This thing can take a few minutes. You need to wait for that. What are you doing? Okay, we continue, almost finished, and finish it, importing data. Okay, now you can go. Okay, allow data, go back, competition structure. As you can see, it's not a joke, it's working very well. No problem with this. Now what you need to do is to test to see if it's working. You have competition structure, and now all of your teams appear here in front of you. Europe, South America, Asia. You can also draw what you want and enjoy yourself. Okay, 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 okay. If I see another team, another feature you need, on the description I will put these teams, and you will download this also and install also if you want to have all of this. You can see English league. Okay, league one. This is all of these teams that you have. Now you have now Juventus with this logo. I want to see Liga España, and now you have Real Madrid. Yeah, yes, wonderful. Go back. Yes, finished. Okay, wonderful. Settings. Okay, okay. Now let's see something. Now go back. League, new league. Now, what are you doing? What? It broke it. Look at. I don't know why. Look at it broke it. What is this? What? What are you doing? I don't know, bro. Maybe a problem with my controller. Okay, let's see again if it's working. League, new league. Okay. What? Oh, what are you doing? What is this? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's restart this to see if it's working and enjoy yourself. Okay, come here, local game, league, local versus, okay, versus, no, go back to next match. Okay, let's check to see if we are Real Madrid, Juventus, yeah. Now Benzema, never. Cristiano Ronaldo and Juventus, Stadium, nice and wonderful. Now you have all license, all clubs, and if you like the video, like, subscribe and share this video. God bless you all. Welcome home.
Ravi de vous retrouver pour cette rencontre qui s'annonce au mieux. Pourquoi? Parce que le ciel est dégagé, parce que la pelouse a été bichonnée, parce que l'échauffement s'est parfaitement passé. On a même vu des attaquants réussir des frappes incroyables en pleine lucarne pendant cet ultime entraînement. Je peux vous dire que s'ils les reproduisent en match, on va se régaler. Bref, l'ambiance est magnifique et on espère forcément entendre ce stade vibrer au rythme des très nombreuses occasions. En flânant sur les rives de la Guaïba, on se sentirait presque en Europe. C'est normal, me direz-vous. Porto Alegre a été fondé par des migrants des Açores. Voilà une affiche
As you can see, it's working.
même ceux qui n'ont pas d'équipe favorite.
Oui, c'est même presque dommage que ce soit un match amical. Après, l'avantage, c'est que sans la pression du résultat, les entraîneurs peuvent tenter des coups. Essayer de nouveaux systèmes, lancer un nouveau joueur. C'est un peu comme une répétition générale.
Okay, let's play to see if it's working very well. And Benzema.
On est parti pour 90 minutes.
Okay.
Et il y a du beau monde sur la pelouse. Qui faudra-t-il surveiller selon vous?
Okay, I'm Real Madrid.
C'est un attaquant rapide
Beautiful.
et puissant. Autant dire que c'est un poison
This is a
contre
quick
attaque.
test.
Une fois qu'il est lancé, difficile de l'arrêter, l'Argentin.
Oui, on est exactement sur la même longueur d'onde. Ça va sur l'aile.
Nice.
Et le ballon qui est remis dans l'axe.
Oh,
Et c'est un corner. Ce sera le premier corner du match.
okay. Oh, no way.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Dybala. Alexandro. La Juventus qui peut avancer. Allez. Paolo Dybala. Est en cours. Il allonge vers l'avant. Et il cède sous la pression. Superbe intervention contre un joueur qui part en dribble comme ça, il ne faut pas se rater.
Okay. Nice. As you can see, it's working. No
Toni
problem.
Kroos, qui a un peu
Beautiful.
d'espace. Modric.
Nice.
Et les statistiques confirment notre impression. Une possession
Wonderful.
équilibrée, mais 0 tir. Faut tirer là.
Oh no, Benzema.
Higuain.
What have you done?
Oh, Cristiano Ronaldo. Ah, il a trébuché sur cette intervention. Isco. Toni Kroos. Alors qu'on attend encore l'ouverture du score.
Thank you.
Sur l'aile. Marcelo qui centre.
Okay. As you can see, it's working very well. No problem with this. And beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And go to the next video. I love you all, bro. God bless you.